just said, I spent the next day sleeping and editing to get all the Switzerland stuff out of the way, as well as start on some of the Dubai editing. But then the third day I spent traveling Dubai and getting some of the touristy sites in. What's up guys, day 3 in Dubai. So now I'm editing the event I filmed on day 1 here in Dubai in the actual same hotel just downstairs. Check this out, I've only done like 11-12 seconds, but it's pretty cool. So there's a good hour's work for 10 seconds. This is my last day in Dubai, unfortunately. I was supposed to be in Abu Dhabi going to Formula 1 racing, which would have been so cool, but that plan kind of fell through. So now I have another free day. So I'm using this to try and get the Dubai event, somewhat a draft of this Dubai event video done. And I really want to go to the Burj Khalifa. For those of you who don't know, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, and I have a view of it from the pool from this hotel and it is enormous. So I want to go there. My problem is I have €18 in my bank account and the guy I'm here with is in Abu Dhabi, so I have no money and I have to kind of find transport down to the far side of Dubai, well downtown Dubai where the Burj Khalifa is. So we're going to go to the hotel reception and see how far €18 is going to take me. So I asked the concierge the best way to get to the Burj Khalifa and they put me in a private Lexus car and it was like 60 dirham, which is the equivalent to €15, but we're going to charge the room which the event's paying for, so I'm going to try seeing the event pay for that. Check this out, the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. This place is insane. Burj Khalifa is still behind me. One thing I noticed is the sounds of Dubai are not the best. There's construction work everywhere. You can just hear the sounds of jackhammers constantly, chainsaws, everything. There's more cranes in on one building than there is in all of Dublin. Ugh. Wandered into a supermarket and got a weird lunch. There was chicken pie, some milk, and a free sample of a cake. Quick side note, this mall, the Dubai Mall, it's the same mall that Logan Paul packed out with 11,000 people in the world's biggest social meet and greet just last week. I miss Logan Paul by literally a week. Honey! Honey, no! Honey, no! Honey, no! Legit been walking for about 15 minutes from the shopping centre to the metro. 5 walking escalators so far.
We've got a badass over here.
Okay, so slight problem. I figured out the metro, sort of. Basically, there's 2 lines and I got to the closest stop to my hotel or resort, but now I can see it. It's over there in the distance, but it's pretty far away. I can only see it because it's enormous and I don't know how to get to it. My phone went swimming like a couple of weeks ago, so the Wi-Fi and data don't work, so I'm literally running off maps. Dubai is a little strange when you get out of the riches of it, I could put it that way. Huge amount of foreign nationals around this area, foreign national kind of immigrant workers, just I guess building all of Dubai because there is construction everywhere. Okay, so aside from all of that, the situation is I have 15 dirhams, which is the equivalent of about €4 cash, and I'm going to walk as far as the hotel as I can and then maybe jump in a taxi if one comes by, because taxis are actually kind of cheap out here. I'll admit this was very poorly planned. I also spent like 20 quid on a hoodie yesterday. That 20 quid would have solved all my problems.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
giant mosque and the call to prayer. Very cool. Probably a bit disrespectful to be vlogging it, but I don't care. So there's my hotel. Right there. I think it's walkable at this stage. It kind of defeats the... If I can walk it, I'm going to walk it, because getting a taxi now would defeat the purpose of all the walking I just did. So we're getting there. Also, check out this. Fucking skyscrapers everywhere.
2,000 years later.
Anyway, we back with this incredible view. It is 10 to 6. I should really get some editing done, but I know there's a jacuzzi. I think I'm gonna go for the jacuzzi.
I was patient. Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations. Young nigga, graduation. I pick up the rock and I ball, baby. I'm looking for someone to call, baby. But right now I got a situation. Never old, been Franklin. Big rings, champagne. My life is like a ball game. But instead I'm in a trap though. Why so big, call it Super Bowl. Super Bowl, all the O's. Get in the rolls. Flow lifestyle.
I just got room service in the bathrobe and slippers. What an amazing day. So I just spent the last 2-3 hours. I finished a vlog for Dan Ram, who I'm here with, and then I also finished the after movie of the Dubai event that was 2 days ago, and it's actually pretty sick. So I'm heading home in the morning and I'm gonna go pack my bags, and the reason I'm smiling and why I'm so excited for an 8-hour flight is I'm flying business class. See you guys in the morning. Good morning from Dubai. That is the last time I get to say that. That's kind of sad. I'm excited to go home though, because it's been the craziest week of my life, so I kind of want to get home and get my life rooted and sorted again. We got T-minus 3 hours till my flight takes off. I want to make use of that class Emirates business lounge that I'm allowed in, so I will go down and check out and get to this airport. First, check out the breakfast I just had. The breakfast hall down there is insane. It's ridiculous. Have a look at this. Really should get going though.
Don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle.
My review of the first business class lounge is it's ridiculous. How do you review a business class lounge when it's your first time in one?
Free Costa, amazing food, free ice cream.
Free Costa, free beer, free champagne, free desserts, free everything you could imagine. You can sleep, you can sit, you can lounge, you can do everything. Thank you so much. You get your own walkway when you fly business class. Like, the whole rest of the plane economy, boarding over there.
Dan is the one who's super impressed about this whole business class, so the rest of the vlog, he'll tell you what the business class experience looks like.
Business class is unreal.
Fingertips trace my skin to places I've never been.
Alright guys, so that is the vlog. We just touched down in Ireland and that was probably the most surreal week of my life. First paid international trips as a videographer. Could not have gone better. Well, they probably could have. I lost some camera rental equipment which ended up costing me a lot of money. You saw in Dubai I had no money half the trip, but you know what? I still made the best of it and it was unbelievable, and here's hoping to do a lot more of these trips.
I've been running through the jungle.